Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of October, 2024, our system has assigned Rigetti Computing a hold accumulate rating, resulting in a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 236.84% since we first suggested purchasing Rigetti Computing 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of 7.4% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts substantial volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $1.82, which may present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 109.80% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.33% to 38.77%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of negative 10.97% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 79.50% and negative 34.23%. This translates to a price range of approximately 56.4 cents to $1.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Significant Movements in Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, with a fluctuation of 42.19% between high and low. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price increased by 58.05% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of November, 2024. This rise brought the price from $1.74 to $2.75. Notably, it has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a short pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 42.19% with a low of $2.37 and a high of $3.37. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 80.92% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indication. In total, 177 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 270 million shares exchanged for approximately $742,601,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $3.37, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 18.40%, or 62 cents, below the 52-week high, and 75.81%, or $8.62, below the all-time high of $11.37, which was recorded on the 2nd of March, 2022. Rigetti Computing shares have recently experienced a notable increase, largely driven by positive sentiment surrounding the company's technological advancements and strategic partnerships. Following the announcement of significant earnings and future product milestones, Rigetti's stock price momentum underscores the potential for growth in the quantum computing sector. The company plans to launch its 84-qubit Ankaa-3 system this year, with aspirations for additional systems by 2025, positioning itself as a key player in an industry projected to reach a market size of $7.5 billion. This rise in stock performance occurs amidst an overall positive trend in the U.S. stock market, where key indices are gaining strength. Furthermore, the growing interest in Rigetti, indicated by increased investor searches, reflects a rising public awareness and confidence in the company's trajectory. However, Rigetti faces financial challenges, reporting a significant operating loss despite securing $12 million in funding. Its current cash position remains a critical factor as it navigates future developments. The company's collaborations with major players like NVIDIA and potential government contracts could serve as catalysts for both short and long-term growth. In the immediate future, positive quarterly performance and ongoing innovation may help sustain upward momentum in Rigetti's stock price. Looking ahead, successful execution of its technology roadmap and expansion into new markets could solidify its position as a leading provider in quantum computing, making RGTI shares a focal point for investors seeking exposure in this emerging sector. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 28th of March, 2023, Needham once again rated RGTI as a buy, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 19th of September, 2022, Benchmark issued a buy rating for RGTI, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. Here stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $1.62 and $1.28. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 111.54%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions remain unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is known for its considerable daily fluctuations, and with an extensive prediction range indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a movement of 42.19%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 18.98%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's take a moment to discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. While even well-established companies can have challenging periods due to various uncontrollable factors, persistent negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. Additionally, it is worth noting that the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. There is no notable resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume metrics to determine the optimal moment to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of November 2024, Bessemer Venture Partners XLP executed an insider sale of 580,125 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November 2024, Bessemer Venture Partners XLP executed an insider sale of 86,868 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November 2024, McCarthy Cathy L. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November 2024, Kulkarni Subodh K. executed an insider purchase of 1 million shares of employee stock options. On the 14th of November 2024, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 60,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 10.561. In total, insiders purchased 7,942,978 shares and sold 4,149,880 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.66, which is a decline of 3.34%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 83, which considerably heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal triggered from a pivot bottom that was identified 5 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not view these as sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open at 8 cents and begin trading at $2.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.